Reconciling accounts receivable invoices ensures that outstanding invoices match customer payments, enhancing financial accuracy and cash flow management. It reduces errors, detects fraud, and fosters better customer relationships by resolving discrepancies quickly. Accurate reconciliations also improve financial reporting, support compliance, and facilitate smoother audits, making it a crucial process for maintaining reliable financial records and informed decision-making. To reconcile invoice payments, follow these steps. Navigate to the billing module and select AR invoices. In the newly opened window, navigate to the scheme dropdown at the bottom of your screen and select the required scheme. Filter the dates as needed to access invoices within a specific time frame, then click View. Select the invoices that need to be reconciled. This helps identify discrepancies between billed services and payments received, ensuring accurate financial records, quicker issue resolution, and improved cash flow management. On the right sidebar, click on the Reconcile Payment button and select From Selected Invoices. In the new window, complete all required fields. The customer scheme will automatically populate, indicating the entity responsible for paying the invoices, making it easier to track and reconcile payments across various schemes and ensuring accurate accounting. Select the mode of payment from the drop-down menu. The first selection level identifies the payment type, and the second level specifies the exact payment service. The options available depend on your initial selection. If you choose Bank, it will display all second-level selections under that category. Please select based on your intervention. Enter the insurance payment amount to reconcile accurately with the invoice balance, preventing underpayments or overpayments. Input the reference for the reconciliation to link the payment to a specific transaction or receipt, providing an audit trail. Record the date of payment, which helps establish the payment timeline, crucial for cash flow management, due date tracking, and identifying late payments. Then click on the Generate button to generate payment reconciliation. Confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears. In the subsequent window, all the selected invoices to be paid will be displayed. A total balance and amount to be paid will be indicated as shown here. Reconcile based on the remittance advice from the insurance. This ensures payments are correctly applied, discrepancies are identified, balances are accurate, and compliance is maintained, avoiding future disputes. Then click on Process Invoice and confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears. A receipt will be generated as a proof of payment for the paid invoices, as shown.